All right, this is Master Lock 140. I think I overset the pins, restarting. 2 is binding. Okay, click on 2. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, go on to 3, sorry, go on to 4. Soft click on 4. 3 feels like it's binding. There we go. I don't know if I set 1 when I did 2, or if 1 is just so low that I don't have to set it, but set. Try that again. Nothing on 1. 2 is binding. Soft click on 2, nothing on 3. 4 is binding. Soft click on 4. 3 is binding. I'll push 3 all the way down. I think I overset 3. Go on to 1. 1 is binding. 1 is clicked. Pretty sure 3 is overset. Oh, no, 3 wasn't overset. Went back to 3.